Have you ever looked at billionaires and thought, how do they do it? You're stuck with bills, rent, and a job you barely like. But what if I told you there's a science to getting rich, a path that no one teaches, but anyone can follow? Part 1. The illusion of money. Most people think money is only earned through hard work, something you're born into, or something out of reach. From childhood, we're told, money doesn't grow on trees, stick to a stable job, live within your means. But here's the truth. Money is a game, and you've been playing it with the wrong rules. Part 2. The mindset shift. Let's destroy the old beliefs. Did you know 84% of billionaires created their own wealth? They weren't born lucky. They understood value. Not salary equals money, but value creation equals money. You don't get paid for your time. You get paid for the value your time creates. That's why a laborer who works 12 hours a day earns less than a surgeon who works 4. It's not about effort. It's about market demand and problem solving. Part 3. The real equation. So, what do all wealthy people have in common? They solved a problem. They built a scalable solution. They reached the market. Think about it. Amazon made shopping easier. Uber solved transportation. Baiju's made education accessible. Zoom connected the world remotely. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger your paycheck. So, if you want money, stop chasing money. Start chasing problems. Part 4. Building value. You don't need millions to start. You don't need to build the next Facebook. You just need to solve a real problem. Ask, what frustrates people in my industry? What do people keep complaining about? Can I fix it? Can I scale it? Start small, but think big. Example? Instead of one-on-one guitar lessons, time-bound, record a course once and sell it to thousands. Scalable. That's how real wealth is built. Part 5. Delegate and scale. Once your solution works, build a team. Create systems. Outsource work. Automate processes. Don't be the bottleneck in your business. Because real wealth begins when your income is no longer tied to your time. You can grow your business. Sell it like WhatsApp or Instagram, or run it on autopilot for passive income. Part 6. Why it all matters. But remember this. The most valuable thing you have isn't money. It's time. Would you really trade 40 years of your life for a job you don't love just to survive? This journey isn't just about getting rich. It's about freedom. To live life on your terms. Final message. Don't chase money. If you take anything away from this video, let it be this. Stop chasing money. Chase problems. Solve them. Scale the solution. That's the path to freedom. You may fail. In fact, most people will, but fail fast. Learn quickly and move on. Because one solution, one idea, can change your life. Bonus, take action. Want to go deeper? Start by reading books by DeMarco, the man who inspired this journey. If you like this video, hit like. If you didn't, hit dislike. Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's learn together. And if you're ready to escape the rat race and live a life of purpose, subscribe. Turn on the bell and start your journey today.